Hello, in this video I will show you how to create a profile on Lemon8. It's a lifestyle community-based application powered by TikTok. So creating an account on this platform is extremely easy. Firstly, what you do is just simply go to your Play Store or App Store or wherever you will get this application. Make sure that you have the latest version of this application. Once you'll have the application, install it, and then the next thing that you have to do is you have to go to your TikTok application, because this application requires TikTok as well. So make sure that your TikTok account and application is also updated to the latest version. Then once your TikTok and Lemon8 both are up to date, firstly open your TikTok account, log into your own account in TikTok, go to your profile and choose the account that you would like to log into Lemon8 as well. So let's say for example, if you have an account on TikTok that you don't want to create your Lemon8 account using that account, so in this case what you can do is you can choose a different type of account to log in or create a new account in your TikTok account, and that way you can use a different account in Lemon8. So once you're logged in TikTok, open your Lemon8 application, then wait a few seconds, and over here you should automatically see the option called login with TikTok. So just simply click on login and wait for a few seconds, and just like that it should automatically log you in. And if you go to your profile at the very bottom right hand side corner, over here you can see that your account has been linked and you have been signed in and your account was also created. So if you want to change the username and something like that, you can directly click on your profile and you can do it right over here. So all of the data from your TikTok will automatically be exported on Lemon8. If you want to change anything, you can directly do it right over here manually. So that's it, and if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing.